Hello student, today we do exercise 6.3 theorems and examples. Theorem: prove that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Important theorem. हमें पता है ट्राइंगल के तीनों एंगल का सम 180 होता है, बट here we need to show. Make figure triangle ABC. Given triangle ABC. To show angle A plus B plus C, या फिर आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं BAC प्लस ACB प्लस ABC इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. कंस्ट्रक्शन: draw a line which is parallel to BC through point A. Let its name PQ. Proof: is angle 1 equals to angle 4? होगा? Yes. Why? Alternate interior angle. Angle 3 equals to angle 5. Same reason. Next, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 180. Reason: straight angle. If sum of more than two angle is 180, called straight angle. Now replace 1 by 4, 2 same, 3 by 5 equals to 180, क्योंकि ये इक्वल है आपके पास. एंगल 4 we can write it angle B. Angle 2 BAC. Angle 5 is angle C equals to 180 degree. Hence proved. Sum of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Now the next is example number 7. QT is perpendicular to PR. First we will try to make its figure. Triangle PQR, QT perpendicular to PR. Angle TQR 40 degree and angle SPR somewhere here 30 degree. We will have to find value X and Y. X, Y. Given from the statement, To find solution in triangle PSR, here angle Y will be equal to angle 30 plus X because of exterior angle property. एंगल Y से पहले आपको एंगल X की जरूरत है. That's why we will take triangle QTR. If this 90, also it was 90. Angle 40 plus angle 90 plus angle X equals to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Adding 130 comes to right hand side, then X becomes of 50 degree. Now in triangle PSR, angle Y exterior angle है, will be equals to 30 plus X. X is 50, Y is 80 degree. Answer will write at last X 50, Y 80. Now the next example, number 8. See carefully everyone. The sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to point E and D respectively. If bisectors BO and CO of angle CBE and BCD respectively meet at point O, prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half of angle BAC. Given BO and CO bisectors meet at point O. To show angle BOC equals to 90 minus half of angle BAC. Proof. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 equal. Reason, BO is bisector. Here CO is a bisector. Now AE is line. That's why sum of angle 1 plus 2 plus Y equals to 180 degree. Reason, straight angle. Now replace 1 by 2 क्योंकि ट्राइंगल के अंदर आपके पास एंगल 2 है. 2 angle 2, angle 2 twice of angle 2 plus y equals to 180. Twice of angle 2 equals to 180 minus y. Angle 2 की वैल्यू 2 will go in division. 180 by 2 y by 2 cut. It becomes 90 minus y by 2. Similarly, we will find the value of angle 3, which will be equal to 90 minus z by 2. See, angle z plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180 reason. Straight angle. Replace 4 by 3 क्योंकि ट्राइंगल के अंदर 3 है. Angle Z twice of angle 3 equals to 180. Z right hand side में. This 2 goes in division. 180 by 2 Z by 2. 90 minus Z by 2, value of angle 3. Now, in triangle BOC, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of a triangle. Short form. Angle 2, put the value 90 minus y by 2. Angle 3, 90 minus z by 2. BOC same, 90 90 180. 180 के इक्वल है कैंसिल. वैल्यू ऑफ BOC माइनस का y by 2 राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा प्लस का z by 2. टेक LCM, y plus z by 2. See here, angle x plus y plus z equals to 180. X plus y plus z 180. Then value of y plus z 180 minus x. Put here 180 by 2 z by 2. Cut. 90 minus x. 90 minus x by 2. Now we will write 90 minus 1 by 2. X is angle BAC. See, it proves. Hence proved. Thank you.